Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the Bootstrap 5 dark mode. So if you want to also create the dark mode in Bootstrap 5 or in your web pages, then in that case this is very useful video. By default, Bootstrap pages have a white light background color, but if you want to change the whole page to a darker color, then you can add the data minus bs minus theme and dark classes in the HTML element. Okay, so now I am going to teach you. Okay, so for this one, for example, if I want to create a class here. Okay, so for example, if I want to make the body theme color, okay, so that is class, sorry, data minus bs minus theme is called to dark, and if I click in the run, sorry, that is not if data, that is only data, and if I click in the run, now we can see the whole page changed in the dark, right? But the by default bootstrap color, the bootstrap theme color is the light white color. Okay, and another thing is you can use this one in the table also. Okay, so for example, if I use the table and okay, so td1 td2, and if I click in the run, now you can see there is a table, right? So first of all, I am going to create a tr here. Okay, then I am just typing this one here. Okay, so if I click in the run, now you can see there is a 1 and 2 came here, right? So if I type here in the class is equal to table, if I click in the run, so now you can see there is a small table created, right? And if I use data minus bs minus theme is equal to dark. Okay, so if I click in the run, so now you can see the table background color is changed, right? So in this way you can easily use the data minus bs minus thing, right? So you can use those things in the drop down items. Okay, so you can create in the models. Okay, so you can use the dark mode in any elements of the Bootstrap 5. Hoping that you get few ideas. Thank you so much.